kitchen again with Chef Ricardo cooking show, guys. Amazing to be in the kitchen giving you a favorite recipe. Meat-free Monday. I want to do you some sweet and carrot mash. You can have it with some vegetable, with a stir-fried cabbage, but it's fantastic and an amazing recipe, guys. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna show you how to prepare it and how to mash it, and it's just an amazing. I love it. I do it so many times, and the flavor and the taste from it, it's just marvelous. Hopefully you'll love it. Please subscribe, leave your comments in the description box. Follow me on Instagram, my Facebook page, or my website page, chefricardo.co.uk. And not only that, there's so much things you can do, guys. So stay tuned in with Chef Ricardo right here in the kitchen with some more beautiful recipe. Thank you for watching. Nice one. So this is the sweet right here, and all I'm going to do is cut it into half. Right. Sweet, yeah, sweet. All right, very hard, you know what I mean, but it's delicious. All right, so what we're going to do is remove the skin from it. All right, I'm gonna be using my little knife and remove the skin. Alright. Make sure you wash off your ingredients. Alright. And what you want to do once you want to cut it up. Alright, like this. Very small. Alright. Now, secondly, carrot. You want to just remove the skin from your carrot. So in the meantime, I got a medium-sized pot on the stove, getting ready for this vegetable. All right. Nice one. So this is what I have right here. This is the sweet. Now I'm gonna cut up the carrot. So what you want to do, wash off these All right, nice one. Nice one. So first thing what you want to do, make sure the water start to boil. All right, we're gonna put a pinch of salt into the water. Now let's put in our sweet and carrot. Alright, let's be careful when you put it in because you don't want to burn yourself. But let this cook for roughly about 10 to 15 minutes and then we're going to mash it. Alright, so it's an easy one. So we're going to cover it with a lid. That's it. And let it cook for about 10 to 15 minutes. See that? Yeah, that's what they want to see right here. What you want to do is get a fork, check it. Alright. So these are cooked. Alright. Let me see. Taste this one. So I'm going to strain it off. That is beautiful. What we're gonna do, strain it off, and this is what's gonna happen now. Simple. 1 large tablespoon of unsalted butter. Little bit of chili. Little bit of black pepper. Just mash it up like this, I mean. See it? Look at that. Amazing. Let's taste it. Delicious. Wow. That is delicious. So this is exactly what I'm talking about. Alright. This one also can do for Christmas. Nice one. Look at that. Amazing. Please subscribe to the YouTube channel. Leave your comments in the description box. Please tell a friend and a friend tell a friend. Alright? This is just an amazing recipe. for vegetarian or meat-free Monday. You can put some cabbage with it. Next time I will be doing a full video with this one with the cabbage. Alright, stay tuned in. This is from Chef Ricardo, and as I say, the sweet and carrot. Alright, this little vegetable, sweet. There it is. So easy and simple. Alright, yeah. Love you know. See you next time in the kitchen with more recipe. Bye bye.